Hello friends, today topic is how does chatgpt work. Alright, so now you know how to use chatgpt. This section will cover everything you should know to make the most of it and use chatgpt, including how to write good prompts and how to handle back and for conversation. Becoming a prompt wizard using ChatGPT required written, which is really just a technical way of saying you will asking it a question that may sound simple and but ChatGPT can give you wildly different response depending on the prompt you use. To get the most out of ChatGPT, follow the best practices for writing prompt. Be specific. Clearly start your requirements or questions to help the all understand the context and generate a relative response. Giving specific promote with more details can help, but to use step by step or bullet point institution when seek answer to complex questions or asking for content creation. Break your promote down into smaller parts or provide a list of items you'd like to see in the response. 3. Set the desired format. If you have a preferred format or style for the answer, make sure to mention it in your prompt. Ask for source of references if you require information supported by research. Ask ChatGPT to provide source of reference in its response. However, make sure you double click the links. ChatGPT can sometimes give dead links. Limit response length. If you need a quick answer, specify the desired length, such as in on paragraph or in 100 words. If the entire response is not refine your prompt or ask follow-up question to get the desired output. Experiment. Feel free to try different approach and purchasing to find the most effective way to communicate your needs to the all. Chat GPT is just a tool and you're going to need adjust your prompts and instruction to get the best results. Does not hesitate to or provide additional context if if you can also ask it to use a variety of tools including formal previous emotion, emotional technical and more simply specify your design in your prompt.